Hello friends, welcome to the fifth tutorial of PHP. In this tutorial we will talk about variables and constants. So let's start. I will go to the XAMPP folder. I have installed my XAMPP inside my C drive, and here in htdocs, inside this I have created a folder by the name of Kabul. So inside this folder I will right click here, open with Code Studio in order to access this folder inside my studio. So now I will create a PHP file. I will create a file, new file, index.php. Now in here I will open the tag of PHP and PHP, then close the tag of PHP. So before declaring a variable, what is a variable? Variable is a container where we store information inside, or where we store a value inside, value or information. So I will write it in the next line. Variable is a container where we store a value or information inside a variable. It means that we can store a value or information inside the a variable. So I will comment this. Now in here I will declare a variable. So how to declare a variable? To declare a variable, just add a $sign and then write the name of your variable name. For example, name. One thing that I have to mention you friends, that you can declare a variable by by adding an underscore. You can declare a variable by a capital letter like this, name. But you cannot add a variable or declare a variable by special symbols like this. You cannot add a variable by numbers like 343. So what I will do here, I will just add here name and so equal to what should we store inside this name? So we will store inside this name the string. So I will add double dot, then Hafizuddin, semicolon, Control S. Now let's execute this in browser. So I will here say local host / Kabul, enter. So it's not accessed. Why? Because I have not started the XAMPP server. So I have to come here, and from here I have to start the Apache. Now that I have started the Apache, again I will enter here. As you can see, the browser is appear here blank. Why? Because we have to print this. To print this, I will write here like this, echo and variable name. And remember friends that variable is a case sensitive. Like how? Like if I here write here name like this, semicolon, let's see, error will come here. Why? Because it's a sensitive case. So I have to same like this I have to write here also. So I will write here name, then Control S and refresh here. You can see it's printed successfully. So we can same declare another variable also like this, salary is equal to number. I will store number, so I will write here 3000 and what I will do here, I will echo and salary, Control S. As you can see, Hafizuddin salary is 3000. So I want to write that his name is Hafizuddin and his salary is what? 3000. So I will write it like this, echo, so echo print, and I will delete this. His name is and what name, then and his salary is then salary, sorry, let's see now, refresh. His name is Hafizuddin and his salary is 3000. So I hope you understand the concept of variable, how to declare a variable. Now we will come to the what? Now we will come to the constant. So constant is a fixed value, and we can declare a constant by the using define function. Define, then define. So inside define, single quotation or double quotation, it's okay. Now I want to define a constant. So what is the constant name? For example, car, yeah, or car name, or like this, name, car name. So comma, then what is the car name? Car name is what? Corolla, for example, Corolla, or Yamaha. Now how to declare this? To declare this, we can just write it like this, print it like this. Just write the first name, this one. This is the constant and this is the constant value. So I will write here car, sorry, echo and car car name. Let's print it now. I think error will come here. No, there is no error here. So you can see his name is Hafizuddin and his salary is 3000. So I will write here, and his car is Yamaha. Let's see, refresh. His name is Hafizuddin and his salary is 3000 and his car is Yamaha. So basically constant takes two parameters. The first one is constant and the second name is one is constant value. So I hope you understand the concept of constant also and variable. So thank you so much for watching our videos.